to conduct our behavior in the real world. These assumptions help us understand that how should our response be towards a certain stimulus in the environment. Students, assumptions जब हम बनाते हैं तो उससे अगला स्टेप हमारा ये होता है कि हम उन assumptions की basis पर expectancies develop करते हैं. Expectancies is a set of learned assumptions about the world. Developing expectancies is actually further helping us learn about our own world. Expectancies are usually correct, making for easy processing of information and adaptive functioning. Based upon our expectancies, which is actually a set of certain assumptions that are existing in our mind about different things or so many different things in the environment, we actually tailor our behavior accordingly. And it all not only gives us speed, but a very good understanding about the world also. However, during this process, we are liable to be misperceiving a lot of external stimuli in a faulty manner, which means we get a lot of wrong information. A lot of wrong information that's coming down our way, we would call them misperceptions. Our assumptions may sometimes be misleading, resulting in misperceptions. जिस तरह से हमने उस स्लाइड के अंदर तस्वीर को देखा, जिसके अंदर हम टोटली कंफ्यूज हो गए बिकॉज जो विजुअल इमेज हमारे पास आ रहा था वो एक सर्टेन हकीकत बता रहा था, और जब मैंने आपको दूसरी स्लाइड के अंदर उस कमरे की हकीकत के बारे में बताया, then a totally different images come into your mind. Now the question is that when you have such an experience in which I showed you two different slides, you actually come to understand that what was trick behind this visual illusion. And once you understand that there was a trick behind this visual illusion, you come to understand that next time on, when you come across such an illusion, you would try to use your receptors, your sense organs in a slightly different fashion. जब आप उनको डिफरेंट फैशन पे यूज़ करेंगे तो आप कोशिश करेंगे कि उस मिसलीडिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन के पीछे जो करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन है, हाउ टू गेट देयर, हाउ टू फाइंड दैट आउट. Students, this was a little bit about learning theory today. Now let us move on towards the next theory in the line. The next theory in the line is probabilistic functionalism. और जब भी हम probabilistic functionalism की बात करेंगे, the CAT statement that should be coming to your mind should be something like this. Description of individuals' perceptual processes when making judgments in response to molar environments containing multiple stimulus dimensions. Students, this is a long statement, and probably this is slightly complicated. So let us break this long statement into small pieces and try to understand that what probabilistic functionalists actually wanted to say. So the most important thing for them is description of individuals' perceptual processes. That how can we describe the perceptual processes, how we get information, and how we come to describe that particular information. The next part is when making judgments in response to molar environments containing multiple stimulus dimension, which means that we are making descriptions of all the stimuli that are existing in our environment when we are making certain judgments about our environment. And our perception is actually helping us make certain judgments. It gives us certain ideas, certain clues about the environment around us. Over here, I would like to tell you about Brunswick's lens model of perception. That's complicated? No, actually that's very, very simple. So let us discuss Brunswick's lens model. आपने कभी lens देखा है? Yeah, of course you have seen lens. लेंस मुख्तलिफ शेप्स के अंदर होते हैं, लेकिन लेंस के ज़रिए से हम किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन, किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर फोकस कर सकते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पर आपने मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास देखा होगा. मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास हम जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर रखते हैं और उस ऑब्जेक्ट का जो पार्ट उस मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास के अंदर आता है, वो ऑब्जेक्ट मैग्नीफाई होना शुरू हो जाता है. और जब वो मैग्नीफाई होता है तो हम उसकी क्लियर डिटेल्स को देख सकते हैं. ब्रंसविक का मानना था कि हम अपनी परसेप्शन को एक लेंस के मॉडल के तौर पर देखते हैं, क्योंकि in our environment there are so many different stimuli that are constantly bombarding our sense organs that if we start focusing our attention over all those stimuli, we'll be running short of time, judgment, we'll be losing entire sense of the scenario. So in an environment when there are so many different stimuli constantly bombarding our sensory organs, what should we do? How should we get the exact information about the environment? Let us say, and we have discussed this example before, if you're walking on the road, or maybe you're driving on the road, there are so many different stimuli bombarding on your mind. But you come up to a conclusion where you say, you tell yourself, you tell your perceptive organs that I am going to concentrate only upon the most reliable information. And the rest of the things, I would not look at them, or I would probably not pay attention to those things. Now, probabilistic functionalists say that this tendency